GPLHOW2C. Okay, we're going to do something a little more useful this time. We have a program here this time called SC Edit Source, and this one is going to be an editor where you can make your own editor, something useful. Previous stuff what we did was pretty much useless, just candy. But this is actually something that you can actually build upon to make something decent. It is actually something you can make an editor assembler editor out of, or a text editor. So here's our source. We put our normal stuff for source, object list, and then our options, same as the last two videos. We assemble it. It's coming up here. It'll be done. It's a little bit larger than the others. Not much. Still pretty dinky in scale. All right, we go back, and now we're going to go down to the link, and we're going to have to link it. The linker is going to create a program image file. So there's the link. It's loading and load run. There's our options object. We're going to call it SC Edit, and our options are CG3 as normal. And then we're going to go back to the directory, and we're going to go down to the program, which is SC Edit, which is what we called it. Program image, and then of course the other one is SC Edit U at the end of it. So let's load the program image. There's our screen. It's all messed up. Can't fix that. Don't know what to do about it. But it's option 4, screen editor. You can see it there. Okay, now here's our title screen. GPL screen editor example. We have functions 3, 0, 1, 9, move cursor arrows. Press any key to begin. And so it's a simple one. You can look at the program source and see how it works. So here we go. Let's try typing something in like, you guys can read this. Wouldn't be too hard to use a return key to go back to the first of the line, but that's not in the program yet. Something you guys can add. Just go compare equal, enter, at key, and then you can do a branch to take away the number that's there, it's presently at, and jump down one line to the front. This is just to show you what you can do. You can make the cursor any size, any kind you want. I just use these. The original one was just an underline, and I changed it to this block. That's a good thing. You can actually, later on, I will provide you code that I've already written in GPL that allows you to have full access and control over the AMS card. Plug that into this. It's partially assembly language. It's partially GPL. That's what works best, is mixing assembly with GPL. And between the two of them, you could make your own editor that basically does all the editing into the AMS card. It wouldn't use any VDP memory other than the screen image you're using here and the character sets. And you can make it 40 column, and if they ever come out with an 80 column version, we could do that. That would save the rest of the VDP memory in the 80 column card for other uses, like graphics. So you could actually make a graphics editor that uses the AMS memory as where to store everything. That's another possibility. You could load this at the TI Basic area or make your own cartridge. That's the whole point of this demo, is to show you that if you have the gumption, you can go out there and make your own stuff. Like I said, GPL is only slightly harder to use than XB and a little less tough than assembly. And like it says, good luck to you. Until the next one.